Cladding Engineering Services. Cladding means applying one material over another to protect buildings. Our team of architects and engineers offers reliable cladding services. We consider chemical and physical components for smooth construction. Detailed drawings help constructors understand every aspect clearly. Cladding acts as a weather shield and insulator, saving energy costs. It enhances building appearance and increases durability. Types include aluminium cladding, curtain wall, and wall cladding CAD services. Higher durability means less maintenance and longer building life. Contact our experts to discuss your project plans. We provide ideas to achieve perfection in your construction. Cladding protects buildings from fire, weather, and noise. Materials used include plywood, steel, clay tiles, and more.